In this tutorial, you'll learn how to import Google Alerts into Airtable automatically. We'll set up a Google Alert RSS feed for your chosen keywords and connect it to Airtable using the Data Fetcher extension, so you can track mentions, news, or updates without checking your email manually. Let's start by creating the Google Alert that will later connect to Airtable. Go to Google Alerts and sign in to your Google account. In the search box, type the topic you want to track. For example, Airtable. Now click Show Options to customize your alert. Here you can choose how often you want alerts, where they come from, and your language or region preferences. Under How Many, select All Results so we get more data. Then, under Deliver To, change it from your email address to RSS feed. Click Create Alert. Once your alert appears, right-click the RSS icon and choose Copy Link Address. This copies the RSS feed URL you'll use in Data Fetcher later. Open your Airtable base and go to Tools, then Extensions, then Add an extension. Search for Data Fetcher, click Add, then Add extension. Sign up for a free account with your email or Google account, or log in if you already have one. Now from the Data Fetcher home screen, click Create your first request. Under the Application dropdown, select Custom. Now paste your RSS feed URL that we copied earlier into the URL field. Name your request something like Fetch Alerts, Airtable. Then click Save and Run. The response field mapping window will now open. This is where we choose which data from Google Alerts to import. Click Deselect All so we can start fresh. In the search box, type Feed Entry. These are the fields that contain your alert data. Now map them like this. Select Feed Entry Title and map it to your existing name field. Next, choose Feed Entry Link and map it to a new field called URL. Make sure to set the type to URL. Then select Feed Entry Published and map it to a new field named Published with the type set to Date. After that, choose Feed Entry Updated and map it to another new field called Updated and also set the type to Date. Finally, scroll to Feed Entry Content, map it to a new field called Content and set its type to long text. Once done, click the arrow in the top left corner to open the sidebar. Select Advanced Settings. And for Update Based on Field, choose the URL field. This makes sure Data Fetcher won't create duplicate alerts. Click Save and run again. Data Fetcher will now create the missing fields and import your Google Alerts directly into Airtable. Each alert will show up as a new record with the title, link, published date, and content. Right now, you'll need to click Run each time to update your alerts. To keep your Airtable base in sync automatically, let's schedule it. Scheduling is part of Data Fetcher's paid plan, so first you'll need to upgrade your account. After upgrading, go to the Schedule tab and click Authorize. Select Add All Resources, then click Grant Access. Once authorized, toggle Schedule this request on. Now choose how often you want to fetch new data. For this example, we'll go with every day, and click Save. From now on, Data Fetcher will automatically pull your latest Google Alerts into Airtable on your chosen schedule. And that's it. Your Google Alerts now update automatically in Airtable. Your base will stay synced with the latest mentions and news without you having to run anything manually. Check the description for more tutorials to help you automate your Airtable workflows.